Tokenization splits a text into smaller units, such as words and phrases. Select the text field you want to apply it on, and click Add Operation. Under the NLP and Text Analytics tab, click Preprocess Tokenize tag. Dcipher will auto-detect the language using a sample of input texts. If the input texts are in different languages, and you've run Dcipher's Detect Language operation to get the language of each text, select the language field under Language Source. Llamatization reduces the inflectional forms of a word to a common base. For example, cat and cats both give the lemma cat. It can be useful in the analysis to treat them as the same token. Dcipher provides various pre-processing options, such as removing punctuation, emojis, and short tokens. By lowercasing, you ensure that differences in case do not lead to the same word being treated as different tokens. It is also recommended to remove the most common words, stop words, like and, or, he, and she. Parse-of-speech tagging assigns each word a part of speech, like verb and noun. Parse-of-speech tagging takes a word's syntactic function into account. For example, it's often able to distinguish between drink as a verb and drink as a noun, depending on the context. Named entity recognition looks for named entities in the text, like names of persons and organizations. Phrase detection is used for finding phrases rather than just individual words. Click Apply to run the operation. A new token collection has now been added to the dataset.